Hi everyone, this is Kate with ICI Homes. I'm at our beautiful Juliette Model at 16 Emerson Drive in Palm Coast. This wonderful floor plan has been a top seller in Palm Coast. Among several great features about this plan, the master suite has a wonderful layout. It's nice and spacious. It comes with 3 large windows to let in a lot of natural light. It has a really great size master bath with walk-in shower and tub. It has double vanity. The Juliette features a really wide open kitchen plan, which allows you to enjoy cooking while engaging with people that are in the dining area and gathering room. So the whole open floor plan feels very modern, yet very homey with all 3 rooms connected together.